My SOFIA project is called Creative Activism, and my students have been painting murals all over campus and all over our community. My students, when they arrived on campus, actually had a lot to do with deciding what we would do specifically for the project. I had some collaborations in place, but we ended up using their individual interests. Some of them were interested in making campus a more inclusive feeling place, so you'll see some of our murals have to do with inclusion, and we also wanted to make areas on campus just more colorful and energized. A couple of my students were really interested in environmental activities. I had a student come in who was really interested in bees, and we keep bees here at the college, and so we had the opportunity to fit out and paint some of the beehive houses that will be installed. We also, when we were out there, one of my students was interested in chickens, and there's a chicken coop, and so we had the opportunity to paint a chicken coop, and that was really fun. I would say doing a SOFIA project is an excellent opportunity for incoming students to arrive on campus 3 weeks early. So you're getting acclimated with the campus environment, with the sort of general map of campus, so you know where all the buildings are before anyone else comes to campus. And then you also get to know the community a little bit. You know where the restaurants are and where the businesses are before everybody else gets here. So it's definitely an advantage that way. But also there's, I think, a really important advantage in getting to know your fellow classmates. My art group is really tight now, not only with their individual group, but also with all of the SOFIA students. They've really come together and established really good friendships before the semester has even started.